Everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 8 divided 1 by 8 times 4. What many people do, they cancel out this with 2 and then 8 divided 1 by 2 as 8 multiplied 2 by 1, that is 60. What do you think? It's correct or incorrect? Yes, it's the incorrect answer. Why? Because in an expression like this, when you have given multiple operation like division and multiplication, then you have to always follow order of operation, which is also known as BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So, as per BODMAS rule, first you have to solve the bracket, then order or of, then division, multiplication both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. What people forget that we have to always solve from left to right. So it's 8 divided 1 by 8 times 4. So from left, it's divided first. So what we do? So there are two things. 8 multiply 1 by 8. 8 divided 1 by 8. So this gives us 1. But in this case, it becomes this and this is 64. So this part is 64, not 1. 64 times 4 is 6 times 4 is 24 and carry over 1 is 25. It's 256. So what is the correct answer? 256, not 60. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.